Hi everyone, let's go take a look at this one. This is called the Brighton. It's Woodside's floor plan. It's one of their new ones. It's located in Syracuse. This is the model home for it. And it's big. It's two-story. It could be almost 2,800 square feet or a little bit over. It can have 4.5 bathrooms and it's 4 to 6 bedrooms, depending on what you need. So let's go take a look at this one. Off to the right here, we've got a little office with built-ins. It's great. And then here you go, you guys. Another beautiful floor plan. This is a new one. It's called the Brighton. And again, you've got two-story ceilings. Let's go take a look at the dining kitchen area. But here on the right side, under the stairs, instead of having storage, I've got a built-in desk. The LVP flooring in here is a light brown color. And again, LVP flooring is amazing. I've had wood flooring, I've had laminate flooring, and I have never had LVP. But great space for the dining. It's actually very large. Your outdoor space here, again, is amazing. They've made great use of a small space. These small lots are a bit small. But you've got full windows here out into your outdoor space, which really makes this nice and bright. In this kitchen, they've done GE Cafe appliances, which are an upgrade. But I love the color, so the island is different. It's a light wood or an oak color. And then the perimeter is your white cabinetry. It's actually a soft white. All right, let's head to the master. It's not a real dog, but it creeps me out. Really a nice master suite here. You've got the same cabinetry in here as you do the kitchen. They've laid the tile on a diagonal. Huge master shower. Tiles going vertically, which is great. And again, they have tiled on the walls of the vanity. Look at that big mirror. It's beautiful. Really done some nice finishes in this model home. And then here's your closet space. Let's head on out, but I'll give you one last look. And that dog is peeking over. Okay, just off the master is your entrance to the garage. And they've provided a doggy space. This is a very dog-friendly home. And you've got a half bath. Let's head on upstairs, but let me give you a view of all this iron railing up here. It's absolutely gorgeous and open. Very clean looking. This is the loft area. Woodside does a great job with all their windows. Lots and lots of light. To the left here of the staircase, we've got a bedroom. You need a spot for 4 kids, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, or grandkids, a great big bedroom. This is something that you don't often see in a main bathroom. This is double vanities, lighting underneath, and then you've got tile that's a linen look. Really, really pretty. So the vanities are separate from the tub, shower, and toilet combination. All right, let's head down the hall a little ways. Let me just give you a view of the upstairs here. Isn't this beautiful? Just so nice and open. Let's go ahead and head to the bedroom number 1, or 2, I guess, on this floor, top floor. Again, look at all the windows. I just love it. So let's take a look at this laundry room. I like how they've used this space on the end. Let's go ahead and head to another bedroom. They've used this as a workout room, but of course you could use it as a bedroom or whatever you need.